Hi everyone. In this video we're going to figure out what the integral is of tangent of x raised to the 8th power multiplied by secant of x raised to the 6th power. Let's begin by just rewriting our integral as the following. The integral of tangent of x to the 8th power multiplied by secant of x to the 4th power multiplied by secant squared of x. We need to be able to rewrite this term right here in terms of tangent of x so that we can make a u substitution and solve the problem. We can start from this following standard trig identity right here, cosine squared of x plus sine squared of x is equal to 1. If we just divide everything by cosine squared of x, we're left with 1 plus tangent squared of x is equal to secant squared of x. So let's go ahead and substitute 1 plus tangent squared of x for secant squared of x right here. So we're going to have the integral of tangent of x raised to the 8th power multiplied by secant of x to the 4th power multiplied by 1 plus tangent squared of x. Now let's just go ahead and let u be equal to tangent of x. If we differentiate both sides of this equation, we have du is equal to secant squared of x dx. Dividing through by secant squared of x, we have du divided by secant squared of x is equal to dx. Now if we just go ahead and rewrite our integral in terms of u, we have the integral of u raised to the 8th power multiplied by secant of x to the 4th power multiplied by 1 plus u squared multiplied by du divided by secant squared of x. Now we have a secant to the 4th power of x right here and a secant squared of x. So what we can go ahead and do is cancel a secant squared of x and we're left with the integral of u raised to the 8th power multiplied by secant squared of x multiplied by 1 plus u squared times du. And remember from right here, we know that secant squared of x is equal to 1 plus tangent squared of x. And we've set u equal to tan of x, so this is equal to this right here, and that means that we can rewrite the integral as the integral of u raised to the 8th power multiplied by 1 plus u squared, all squared, times du. Now all we need to really go ahead and do is multiply this out and substitute back in tangent of x for u, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to have the integral of u raised to the 8th power multiplied by 1 plus 2 times u squared plus u to the 4th power du. This is equal to the integral of u raised to the 8th power plus 2 times u raised to the 10th power plus u raised to the 12th power du. Integrating gives us u raised to the 9th power divided by 9 plus 2 times u raised to the 11th power divided by 11 plus u raised to the 13th power divided by 13 plus c. If we just go ahead and substitute back in tangent of x for u, we're left with tangent of x raised to the 9th power divided by 9 plus 2 times tangent of x raised to the 11th power divided by 11 plus tangent of x raised to the 13th power divided by 13 plus c. And that is the final answer to this problem. If you found this content useful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.